Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to bring you my emergency kit that I use on both my motorcycles. Basically, it's just a little pouch which has everything I need inside. I will open in a while, but I'm going to say why I use this pouch, because it's very easy, very small, and I can just pick it up from one bike to another, and I have everything with me that I need in case of emergency. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We're gonna start with my booster. Besides being a booster, it's also a power bank and a flashlight in case I need power for all my toys. Another thing that I do have, it's a normal plug to connect to the wall with a cable which has several endings for all the appliances. A must-have also, it's a screwdriver with both ends. I don't know, one is Phillips, another it's, I don't know how to say it in English which is, but it's very useful to have this screwdriver. Also, I have these elastic bands in case I do need to carry something extra on a trip. Most important also, in case of a flat tire, I do have the emergency kit, which has all the tools, the silicone and everything you need to fix a flat tire. And once you have a flat tire, you will need, I'll put it here, the famous Alpha-Wise portable compressor to put air on the tire. And another very important item are zip lines. These things are very useful, especially when you're traveling, because you tend to put overweight on your top cases and your side bags, and sometimes the racks will break, and that already happened to me. And these zip ties, actually it was these ones, the bigger ones, helped me continue my journey without problem. Also, I have a pair of gloves. This is not mandatory, but these ones are extra thin, and you can see they are already a little bit dirty, but I always use them when I have to do some repair or some maintenance. And one last item that I always have, it's something that is a bright color. This is very important, especially if you have a flat tire, you need to park the bike on the road, and you need to make yourself visible. And something bright like this, I'm sure you will be very visible. Another thing that I do have, which I didn't bring here, it's a triangle. And now I'm going to show you some footage on how and where I do carry this on one of my bikes. Okay, as you saw, it doesn't take too much space, and I hope the video was useful for you. All my materials are here on the table, and I really hope that you please subscribe to the channel, follow my other networks, click the notification bell which is down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!